Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mckoy. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a transformer sound effects. Big shoutouts to Darnie, yeah. Siya yung pinakauna kong narinig nito. Siya yung pinakapasimuno nito. Hey, what's up Darnie? If you're watching this, yeah. Maganda to lalo na kapag magpe-perform kayo. I mean, ipe-perform nyo to. Kasi kapag narinig to ng madla, mamen, ang ganda pakinggan. So, iisipin agad nila na kayang-kaya niyo yun. Oh my God. Lumang lumang trick na to guys. Pero may mga napapanood kasi ako na mga beatboxers, mga performances, and halos walang gumagawa nito. So just in case you wanted to know, so just stay tuned here. Yeah, hanggang sa matuto kayo, yo man. And yeah, before we go on, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends so that your friends will also know how to do a transformer sound effects. So without further ado guys, we are going to divide this technique into 3 easy steps. First off, buong gist ng tutorial na to, kombinasyon to ng letter K at letter R, man. So, the first step, I want you guys to pronounce the letter K first. Yung K na prolonged na K, man. So, ginagawa siya, the way siya gawin is yung K, di ba yung nag-pronounce kayo ng letter K? Kamote, kuko. Mapapansin nyo, yung friction na nararamdaman nyo sa tuwing pinopronounce nyo yung letter K ay nasa gitna ng dila nyo, nandito men. Kunyari dila nyo to, di ba? Nandito sa gitna. Parang binabangga nyo dun sa may ngalangalan nyo sa taas. Ganun siya kasimple. So, in order for you guys to learn the transformer sound effect, you just have to prolong that letter K. Ayan. Alright, so that's the first step. Second step, kailangan nyong i-combine sa rolling R. Ito yung medyo tricky kasi may mga nakikita akong post sa sa comment section ko na kung hindi nila alam paano patigasin yung R. Rabbit. Medyo advantage ng mga marunong mag-rolling R nito dito kasi madali lang nila makukombine yung letter K tsaka yung rolling R, which is in short or in layman's term, yun yung matigas na R. Ganun lang yung second step. So you should know how to do the rolling R. Third step, yun yung i-combine nyo na ang K at ang rolling R. Ang magiging tunog niya, di ba yung K, yung R, pag kinumbine nyo yan, ang magiging tunog niya ay so, para maging tunog transformer siya guys, kung yung maririnig niyo yung mga Decepticons tsaka mga Autobots pag nagtra-transform, para may putol-putol. Parang ganun yung tunog. Parang ganun siya, putol-putol. So instead na isang buong length na diretso lang, putulin nyo guys. Yeah. So tuloy-tuloy niyan hanggang sa maging smooth yung delivery. Maganda to lalo na kapag sa barangay kayo magpe-perform. Dati ginagawa ko, naluluka yung mga bata eh. Lupit nun eh. Kasi Optimus Prime. practice beats. Madali lang yung practice beats nito eh. Kasi as much as possible guys, kung i-perform nyo to, dapat ma-emphasize yung transform. Yung tunog ng pagta-transform. Kaya, isa sa mga masasuggest ko kung i-perform nyo to dun lang kayo, mag-stick lang kayo dun sa parang dubstep-ish na dubstep na bagsakan ng drums. So, as much as possible, simple lang yung beat, bass lang tsaka PF snare or inward case snare para ma-emphasize, para mag-highlight yung pagta-transform na sound effect. So yeah, so pasensya na ako, medyo ngayon lang ako nakapag-post ulit. Reason behind this, ang dami kong ginagawa, man. Well, ang dami ka talaga na ginagawa ngayong araw. Hindi hindi YouTube related, hindi beatbox career related. Ano lang talaga, sa trabaho lang talaga, man. There you go guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I really do hope that you learned something from me today. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. At kapag hindi nyo pa nakikita yung iba kong tutorial, or if you haven't seen some of my tutorial videos, please check out my description box. I place there all of the links to the playlist, my reaction videos, tutorial videos, my beatboxing videos, and my reaction unboxing videos. Yeah, lalo na kapag nakakabili ako ng bagong gadget. Gusto ko i-share yun. I mean yung pag-unbox hindi yung ibibigay. No. Hindi muna. Tsaka na yun. I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Thank you so much for the support. Peace, bro.